letting Alvo, he's letting Alvo talk to him. Mm. I see why they had him in them classes all day. I see why. Y'all see why? Cause he messing up his money. He always into it with somebody. Hey baby, he don't know how to keep that damn mouth shut. Always wanting to run his mouth. Hey baby, yeah, I ate Kenny Lee ass up tonight on his live. And why? And why he saying Shamar needs to rest up? Yeah, he talking about Shamar need to rest up, and Shamar got scoliosis. But Shamar wasn't saying that when he be out here sucking and fucking having sex and stuff. His scoliosis be good then. His body be straight then. He want to holler. He need to sit down. That boy been knowing he had scoliosis. He been knowing his body crooked. And it can't be straightened up because it would mess up his spine. It would paralyze him. But Avo need to shut up. Black Cat need to shut up. You sound drunk. He gonna, you know how Shamar came from, you know, not having no money, not having no money to having money. Well, being with Alvo Black Cat around, it's about to be going back to him having no money. He stay drunk. When he ain't drunk, yeah, Shamar do need a caregiver. I need to open up a facility for Shamar, Maggie, and the rest of them dingy crazy people. Alva, y'all don't say Alva on this live. What's his name? Shamar got the real bounce back ability. Alva will be replaced because Shamar keep a man. And yep, think about Shamar, she gonna keep her a man. I'm eating cotton candy. Right, Black Cat.